Let me tickle. Okay. Oh, tickle. Somebody can really lick the mayonnaise. He already asked. So. I feel delicious. Oh, I'm sorry. Here you are. Share the stuff. Share. After you eat, you can close now. You can put garbage in here. You can put garbage in here. You need some bread?
Thank you, Master.
You don't eat anything? No. It's all for you today. Is there any more? Togo! I have one more ice cream for you.
Thank you, Master.
The garbage is in here. Anyone wants to lick the cap of the...
Hold out your hand.
I have only filtered water, huh? Okay. Oh, the bread has to go somewhere.
I put the bread up again.
Yes, love. No, this one up. So I can wash my hands. Get water for everything. Over here is more convenient than in the mountain. We have even this kind of people.
Yeah, I don't have this in my life.
After living in the mountain, here is like paradise. A lot of food, machine, filter, big refrigerator. Yeah. Yeah, good. You have enough there? How many people?
We have 2 bags.
Still have. Okay, good. There's some more here.
Very, very good.
Some more here. Share. Share. This is just a snack, you know? Huh?
I said if Master says share, we share.
Yeah.
Master says eat, we eat.
Very obedient children.
Master says eat more, we eat more.
I wish you do everything else I said. No, this is just, something, and then we do something else. But love, you okay there, boy? You're so scared of the guns. No, they think that he comes and sleeps on my bed. Look at that, huh?
Can I see it?
Sure.
Oh my goodness.
I sleep there normally. I spread out and I sleep there. But he's okay. You're good. Don't worry.
The dog is in your place.
Yeah. No, normally he's here. Today he's just afraid of the guns. So he runs. He runs often there. And I have to clean my house. It is good.
I have.
Oh yeah?
What's the name of that?
Oh,
Vegetarian
lovely race.
No, I'm not going to you shouldn't talk with the mouthful of mayonnaise.
I made them with Lily.
Oh yeah.
What is the
wonderful.
name of the product?
It's gonna be Buddha soon.
Vegetarian.
Everybody eat good.
Yes, thank you.
If you want to drink water, then just this water. That's what I drink.
Okay.
You want some?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay. Oh, I asked her. What day is today? No.
Saturday.
No. Normally I had more cakes and candies, but I gave it away to some other disciples who in China, a difficult place, So you only have a little bit, huh? It's not right. Just symbolic, huh?
Something about
Symbolic, yeah.
It's all very good. Very tasty. Thank you very much. This is heaven. You have a great affinity with food. Oh, yes.
Very good affinity with food and drink.
I noticed.
But here I don't even have a lot of juice for everybody. Just drink water if you want, huh?
Water is fine.
Water is.
Water is great. Yeah.
There you go.
Water is fine.
I'm making water now. Can you stand somewhere there so I can go in here? Sorry about that. Sorry, my palace is big. And this is what we do. It takes a long time. But we will get there, huh? We will get there. Water?
More glasses.
Yeah? Water. Give. And put it here, okay?
Did you have water in the mountains, Master?
What, love?
Did you have water in the mountains?
Yeah, some rainwater, limited. Rain. We catch rainwater from the roof into the tank. And also buy some water. There, come.
You want me to pass this one, Michael?
Yeah. Here is the water.
Thank you.
How many more? One more?
Only one more?
Two more.
Two more. Coming. Yeah. Is it good water?
Very good.
So I drink it daily. Make it simple, you know, I don't boil it.
So, four more, okay.
Doesn't matter. We have a lot. Water, we have a lot. There.
Enough. Okay.
Enough? Okay.
Enough.
Now you drink finish and you can go and give them this. If you finish first.
All right. Okay.
Finish your drinking. Oh, come on.
Okay, done.
For the others, yeah.
Yeah. Next door.
There you go.
There, love.
On the cup.
Wow, you are very fast. Too fast for me, lady.
She's from Ohio.
Ohio, no wonder. Oh.
Any more?
No.
How many more? Done?
Any more?
I got 3 for you.
That's it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
3 more?
That's it.
There you go. Yeah, okay. Good. Ah,
Thank you, Master.
you're welcome. Here, water.
Everyone's got it.
Okay.
Yep, got it.
You're like a little whirlwind.
Yeah. I know my water. Okay. That's it. When you're done, you may go.
Okay.
Thank you, Master. Thank you.
Take the bread.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. Thanks for blessing my house.
That's horrendous.
Blessing us with your house.
Everything good?
Very good. Very good, Master. Delicious.
Very little food.
It's fantastic, Master. Thank you.
Any more drinks I don't have? Cameraman, camerawoman, have.
Thank you, Master.
You can eat more bread if you want. Just bread. Oh, you have the whole jar.
So
You want some more bread, you say?
Yes, good.
Oh.
the Master is happy here as well?
Voila.
Is happy here as well?
Happy.
Yeah.
The dog?
Yeah?
The 3 of them are in the main
Oh,
house.
in the main house, okay.
Oh.
It's not safe?
No. The 3 elders are in the main house. So they might fight, you know. Hungry, huh? Nobody fixes it at home.
Know this kind of food.
Yeah. say that. I hope you feel a little happier.
Yes. Very happy now.
Very little food. So little food.
No, the best part is seeing you, Master.
Okay, I understand. Just 1 second. I had a lot before. I was just giving away. Everybody seems to like it, so I can't stop. Huh? Okay. So now, good children. Go sleep. Meditate. It's late. It's late. You guys stay there.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Appreciate it.
Somebody behind that? Thank you. Đi tả khai mình người ta mình chú lại. Come. You're welcome. Take your cups, your garbage. Take your bread, please.
Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Somebody else help you. You can carry it.
Yeah, I can carry it.
Take the bread, okay? Oh, really? That's good. Good that we see each other tonight. Accept it, okay? Take care of each other. I know you do. Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Master. Thank you for everything.
Already, yeah?
I'm so happy. Yes, Master, already.
Oh, don't go. Don't do that. So you already operated. No need. I know you have great esteem for me. I know that. You look like Mandela. You know that?
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Merci, everybody. Thank you.
You want to help them? Okay, go ahead. You want to help? Your what? Something? Your back? Okay.